Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix media loss on CapCut PC. So here I've already opened the CapCut PC apps on my computer and I'm going to open a project. Okay, so as you guys can see here, my media on my projects in here has lost, and CapCut asked me to link the media again because they can find some of the imported media files. So in here, if you want to fix it, you can just click on this link media options just like this and then find the file. So you might be accidentally move the file into another folder. So in here, what you need to do is just find the folder where the file is moved. So okay, this is the file. So I remember I moved the file in here, so just click on a file and then just click on open, and just like that, and now the media is linked again and the problem is fixed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.